So here we have a Trion CD90 Dehumidifier running in a whole house configuration. There are two ways of doing a whole house setup. This is the fancier way, so this is the one we're going to talk about now. So we have a 12-inch round duct attached to our return air, and we are sampling the air. So we're taking some of the return air out of this duct, running it down here through the dehumidifier. We are removing moisture from it. We're taking that drier air and we're blowing it through a 6-inch duct back into the return air. Now, we're using a Nest thermostat for this particular application. You can use any kind of thermostat you want, as long as it has the capability of controlling a dehumidifier. So the Nest unit says, hey, I want to dehumidify the home. It sends a signal to the dehumidifier to fire up. It also sends a signal to the furnace blower to come on. So we have the furnace blower running and the dehumidifier running at the same time. Now this is necessary because we want to take all the air from the house, run it down through this return air. We want to sample a portion of it and run it through the dehumidifier to dehumidify, and then send it back in the return air where the furnace can then take that air and blow it back into the home. When using this humidifier in the whole house configuration, it's important that you press the whole house button. So right here, if you look right here, there's a little light lit, so it's in the whole house mode. And basically what you're doing is you are turning off the dehumidistat that's built into the humidifier. So just for the heck of it, I'll push this button to show you. Okay, so right now, it has turned off the whole house configuration, so we are running like in a freestanding mode with this light turned off. So obviously we don't want that because we have this attached to our ductwork here. So we're going to just push that button and the light's now lit. And because I did that right now, we're going to have to wait till it times out. But once it times out, it'll go back to normal mode here. So we'll be back in whole house configuration. Thanks for watching. For additional help or questions, feel free to contact us.